I see my friend Mona is here. She has a question. She says, oh, I have so many kids on my caseload that will only eat in front of an iPad or TV. Could you give me just a few strategies on how to increase their time at the table without iPads or in front of the TV? How do you start working on this? The thing that you want to do is you have to start with the child being able to take a few tastes in feeding therapy, okay? And then at home, when they're coming to the table, they might have to just come to the table not during meal times. Then if they're having the iPad at the table during meal times, you're working on being able to take tiny tastes one-on-one in feeding therapy, then you can start to fade that out. I do it very, very slowly, and that first I teach the child to come to the table without the iPad, then I start to introduce the food. But when he's needing to get calories and he's still eating his meals with his parents and he's not yet ready to make meals a part of feeding therapy, then I let him have the iPad. And slowly I transition so that eventually the iPad is only after dinner and not during. Well, couple different things. Here's a few ways that you can learn more for free. Tune in here on Monday nights. Come with your questions. Definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you go to my website, melaniepotock.com, and take a look at my blog. There's over 80 articles there for you. Some are from New York Times Well Health, and some are from Parents Magazine, and whoever I happen to write an article for, it's also posted on my website. So that's a good way to get information. And then finally, be sure to sign up for my newsletter, because that's free. And every time I write a new article, you'll get that about once a month. I'll send you a couple of those. So not too many emails, but just a few.